In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Meet failed to join meeting. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your web browser and search for Google Meet. In the results, click the official Google link that leads to meet.google.com. This ensures you're using the correct secure site. Once you're there, sign in with the Google account that's meant to attend the meeting. If you have multiple accounts, double-check that you're on the right one, since using the wrong account is a common reason you can't get in. If you still can't join, clear your browser's cache. Click the three dots in the top right corner of your browser to open the menu. Choose the option for deleting or clearing browsing data. In the dialog, select Cached Images and Files. You can set the time range to at least the last 7 days, or all time if the problem has been persistent. You don't need to remove passwords or browsing history for this fix. Just focus on the cache. Confirm to clear, then close and reopen the Meet tab, return to meet.google.com, and try joining again. Here's a quick diagnostic tip. Some extensions interfere with Google Meet. Open an incognito or private window and attempt to join the meeting from there. Because most extensions are disabled in private mode by default, this is a fast way to test. If it works in private mode, go back to a regular window, open your extensions manager, and disable extensions one at a time, testing Meet after each change until you find the one causing the conflict. Pay particular attention to ad blockers, privacy tools, and Meet customizers. Next, make sure your browser is up to date. In Chrome, click the three dots, go to Help, then About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them. Restart the browser when prompted. If you're using a different browser, visit its About page to update in a similar way. Now confirm permissions. On the Meet page, click the lock icon next to the address bar, open Site Settings, and set camera and microphone to allow. If you see a prompt asking for access, click Allow. Inside Meet, open settings to choose the correct camera and microphone devices. Finally, consider connection blockers. Strict networks, VPNs, firewalls, or security software can sometimes block Google Meet. For a quick test, temporarily turn off the VPN or adjust your firewall or security app to allow Google services, then try joining again. If your device or network is managed by an organization, reach out to your administrator for assistance. After each change, return to your meeting link and try again. Following these steps should resolve most failed to join errors and get you back into your meeting smoothly.